Assalam and good evening to you, wealthy friends. That is a lie. It is not evening, it is morning. Early morning, in fact. And this week is going to be quite interesting. Why? Because I, my friends, am going to Cape Town and you guys are joining me. I will definitely be taking my cameras with, or maybe I'll just record with my phone, but I want to show you guys what it's like. Now, the thing is, I won't be going with the bike. Let's get the gate. I will be flying. Now, I really enjoy flying, so there'll probably be a lot of footage of that, but I'll try and not bore you with that. But the reason I'm going to Cape Town is I am going for German guide training. So I am not German and I am not a guide anymore, but I am just overseeing the whole thing. There's a lady flying in from Germany to come and spend some time with our guides. It's going to be really cool. I know my life is so hard. But yes, I get to go along and just make sure things run smoothly. But the cool thing is, we are not just going to sit in a classroom. There will be some of that, but I won't bore you with that. It will all be in German, so if you're not German, you won't understand the language. Yet, we will be doing some other things as well. And one of the other things I think definitely that we will be doing is we'll give the guides opportunity to guide us through the city of Cape Town. Now, I'm going to try and record all of that. The problem is it is German guides, so it'll all be in German. So I think what I'll do is I'll do a little montage of all the places we go and see. And so, cue the African music. Now, for those of you that have never been to Cape Town, I really recommend it. There's a lot of things to do there. But if you have been to Cape Town and you've never been on a guided tour, I really do recommend that as well. It just brings a different dimension. I hope you guys like it. Unfortunately, I won't be giving, because it's all in German, I won't show that bit, but the montage will help. So that's one of the things you can do in Cape Town, is do the city tour. The other thing you can do there is go to the mountain. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to climb Table Mountain. But other than climbing the mountain and doing the city tour, I'm sure we'll probably show this German lady some of the African culture. So we'll most probably definitely be going to Marco's restaurant one of the nights we're there, and I'll try and show you guys a bit of that as well. It's quite an experience.
I've tasted it, thank you.
But I hope you guys enjoy Cape Town as much as I do. And if you do, please share, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next week again when I'm back from Cape Town. Adios.